What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 3 of the 100K Chris Sain challenge. And first and foremost, guys, I just can't thank you guys enough for following me along on this journey. Matter of fact, if you guys have a YouTube channel and you're documenting your journey as well, let me know. Put a comment or put a link down in the comment section of either your channel or your playlist of this series, and I'll be sure to shout you out. And also, too, if you guys don't know or haven't figured it out already, there is a link to the cheat sheet down below, first link in the description, and then under that will be a link to get some free Webull stock as well. So be sure to check out those two links below. And starting today, moving forward, I'll be launching this video series like clockwork every Saturday, 10 a.m. Central. So which is really about an hour after Chris Sain launches his updates, his weekly updates on his channel. So just a little food for thought if you care, but just letting you know when to expect these videos to roll out. But without further ado, let's stop talking. Let's get to these numbers. All right, guys, here we are on my computer. You can see, let's go ahead and refresh this. You can see the time and date. It's Friday, January 15th, 7:44 p.m. And let's go ahead and dive into my numbers on my portfolio. So right now I'm currently at 615.07. Refresh it one more time so you know that's not a screenshot. Boom, there we have it. So I'm up $510.31 for the week. And but don't get it twisted, guys. This is all for the challenge, as you saw in the previous video. And we're gonna dive into my spreadsheet right now. And if you do not have the spreadsheet and you've asked for it, you requested it, look at the first link in the description again, and you will see it. And right below that is a link for Webull stock, free Webull stock. So check that out as well. So yeah, guys, so I'm gonna tell you exactly what I started out with, and also how much I've deposited so far. So I started out with basically $1,600 worth of stock, and I've deposited $550 worth of just money into my account from my bank account, and I'll show you that here in a second. But for right now, these three these three stocks are the ones that are currently active for this challenge that I have stock in. So I purchased 40 shares of Carnival on the 7th, also 50 shares of Fuel Energy on the 7th, and then I just recently purchased Tattoo Chef yesterday. I bought 100 shares of that. And so again, I started out with about $1,600 worth of stock, and that was based off of stock that I had in my Robinhood account that I didn't plan on scaling out. So I just went ahead and just sold it off and then reinvested it into these stocks that you see on your screen. And I had some buying power as well that enabled me to purchase some of the stocks. So just FYI, we can just say that I started off with this challenge with $1,600. And then, as you can see, I sold off Fuel Energy when it popped, and I made a profit of $261.75. And then the Tattoo Chef, again, I bought it yesterday. And what I did was I had a high yielding dividend stock that wasn't part of Chris Sain's portfolio, just make sure I make that clear, and sold 88 shares of that. And then I moved that to buy 100 shares of Tattoo Chef, along with some buying power that I had left in the tank. And so that's where I'm at right now. And these I'm not counting, even though I do hold these. These are based off Chris Sain's picks that he had in December and November. But I'm not counting for this challenge because I didn't buy this after January 1st. I'm not counting that. I'm being completely transparent with you guys, being honest, and I don't want to leave any stone unturned. And as you see down at the bottom, you see my long-term gains. And I bought my Apple stock at 9.1 when it split, and then Airbnb 12.10. And that's currently the market value on those. Well, actually, it might be a little bit lower or higher. This isn't current, but that's where I bought it at. And let's go and go to the weekly value, so you can see where I'm at currently. So last week, $1639.60. My deposit of $350, and then as of today, my value up for this challenge is $3523.60, and I deposited $200. So a total bank deposit of $550 for this challenge. And again, my account, my portfolio for the Chris Sain 100K challenge is $3523.60. So again, guys, I'm being transparent. Some people are doing this challenge and they're not really outlining like exactly how much money they're putting in, all that good stuff. So I'm just letting you guys know exactly what's really going on behind the scenes. So let's go and go to alerts. So the one that's green, Tattoo Chef, I obviously bought that. And on the buy zone, guys, What I've been doing is actually just doing a little bit more research, as Chris Sain had really explained and wants people to do, in terms of knowing the company and like the people that are actually behind all the decisions within that company. And that's why I kind of gave myself some leeway on buying this stock, about $2 to $3 more than what I wanted, because he's saying that's going to double, so I'm okay with it, with me losing a little bit of money on the back end if need be. But actually, Apex Technology, I still might get this. It did a little bit of a dip today, so it might be in the buy zone that I kind of wanted at. But as of right now, I don't have that. Try to get into ZOM. Matter of fact, guys, let me know if you got into ZOM. When Chris Sain said, and this thing just popped, and it's literally just like within 24 hours, as soon as he said it, it just skyrocketed. It went to like almost $1. So I tried to get in. My orders couldn't be filled, but it's all good. I'm not really tripping about it. And then also Momo, that stock, I think that popped too, but I couldn't, or that option did, and I couldn't get in that option as well. So I missed out on those 2 plays, but it's all good. I'm sure there's plenty more to come, so I'm not really worried about it. But yeah, guys, just to give you again a quick recap. Started out with $1,600, and I deposited $550 for this challenge. So again, guys, one more time, this spreadsheet is down below. First link. The Webull free link, the Webull free stock link is down right underneath it. And I hope you guys enjoyed the spreadsheet. If you did, give your boy the thumbs up, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you guys have a channel, give me the link to either your channel or your playlist, and I'll send you some love on this channel. So hope you guys liked the video. I really enjoyed the journey, and thanks for all the love and the comments and support. Again, can't thank y'all enough. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.